So good morning friend, this is the third villa which we'll call C. See the patios outside here, parking space can be used here. Okay, and this is the entrance of it. Okay, this is really spacious. Again some work is going on of the electricity and all. This is little incomplete because they are doing the work now. So next time I'll upload a video after the work is complete. They are doing the electrical works and all here, and it's also open styled villa. See the outside view of it, there's a garden and all from here you can see. And they have really done a good furnishing cupboard and all, like they have done it, the cabinets and all. They have used modular kitchen. See the modular kitchen they have designed. This is the sink here, the will come the fridge. Okay, so this is the kitchen thing, and also they are trying to fix this uh, cupboards, kitchen cupboards here with a, they've done a decent cupboards here. So the work is going on. Other both the villas were complete like the same. Here there is a connecting door which goes from the main hall to the kitchen, and again out here. This is again the, there's a small kitchen here where if there is a staff in the house they can use to wash the dishes and all here. And there's a balcony, there's small garden also you can make outside here. It's locked from outside, but there's like a B villa, there's a small outside thing. So I'll take you to the down bedroom. See the quality of the locks and all they use. So work is going on, they are trying to fix the fan and all. So once this is done, again after 1 month I'll again put up a video of this villa also. So this is one bedroom, this doesn't have a attached toilet to it. So the toilet is shared with this bedroom, the kitchen and the hall. And there's a spacious toilet here. Again there's a Jaguar fittings have been used for this. Yeah, so I'll take you to the top view of it. Now they will go on the steps. There's a stainless steel railings have been used. Again there's a good space here where you can make a small cupboard and or something to keep your utility things here. So there's a big window here like French style, and the granite they have used is really of a good quality. It's a Galaxy granite. Galaxy granite has been used. Okay, see the steel railings, and there's again here a sit out area come a balcony. Yeah, anti-skid tiles have been used. See the skies from here and the view. See, these are the tiles which have been used. Again there are 3 bedrooms here. One is the master bedroom. First I'll take you to the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Here they have fitted a fan and all. Okay, there's a balcony here. There's a balcony here which goes out. Okay, it's locked currently. Okay, this is a balcony, and there's a sit out area outside. Since the work was going on, they have locked the balcony and all. Good quality tiles have been used, and there's the attached toilet to it with again Jaguar fittings. And these are the wall tiles and all they have used like a hotel toilet. They have done it. All the villas toilets are like that. These are the wall tiles they have used. Jaguar fittings have been used. And now there's again open dome type here. The dome is about to be fixed. They have not yet fixed the dome, so they have fixed a plywood. A dome will come here because this is under construction. Okay, and this is the second bedroom on top. Okay, the work is going on, and again this doesn't have a attached toilet to it. So there are two bedrooms. That one and this one will share a common big toilet outside the house, outside the rooms. It is only master bedroom has a toilet attached to it. So this is the toilet. To compensate it, they have made a huge toilet here. These are the wall tiles, wash basin, toilets, and this is the tiles quality they have used. This is a spacious toilet here. Now I'll take you to the third bedroom. Again the work is going on, and you can have a loft to make a small cupboard here. Okay, these are the outside view. French tiled windows have been made, so you can have a clear view outside. Again, this doesn't have a attached toilet, so you will need to use the shared toilet which is outside here. So this, again now I'll repeat, there are 3 bedrooms on the first floor. This one is the master bedroom which has an attached toilet. Okay, this one is the second bedroom which shares a toilet outside the bedroom, and this is the third bedroom which also shares a outside toilet, as both these bedrooms don't have a attached toilet here. Okay, and there is one more bedroom down that also shares a toilet outside. It is not a attached toilet. Okay, it doesn't have a attached toilet, so it shares a toilet with a kitchen, hall and the bedroom. Okay, again I will take you down here, and this is the outside view here, the kitchen view, the cupboards, cupboard views, and this is the way out here. And this is the conclusion of part 3. Once this villa is also ready, I will make another video out here, and so we can walk out from here, and this is the outside part of it, and this is the way out to the main gate. And then if you take right, it's a straight beach outside. And plus Mobar and Kavilosim beach is just 500 meters and 1 kilometers away from here. So this is the surrounding one of it. See the skies, blue skies here. And this will be the outside portion here now. And how it looks. And then there's a sit out portion on the right hand side of it, and this will be the conclusion outside while going how it looks. Still some work is going in progress. And then this is the sit out area here with a small well and all. Electrification has been done with the modern equipment. They have done it. 24 staff is there, plus gardeners which maintain the property also is there. This is a Perch Green garden here. They have done it. This is a surrounding area. This is the way out. Since it is difficult to maintain a swimming pool, they have not yet planned a swimming pool, but a swimming pool can be planned. But instead of the swimming pool, they have done a sit out area here outside. But a full-fledged complex swimming pool can be made once the society is been formed in the near future. Because once when the villas are built, it's very difficult to maintain a swimming pool if all villas are not occupied. So they have a plan for it, but they have not done it. It will be coming here, but currently they have made this as a spacious sit out area here with good quality trees and have been planted, and gardeners working around. Where the gardeners trim. They have a 24-hour staff and with a garden team which works for the uplift of the gardens and all. See how decently is done it. Still, none of the villas are occupied. All are sold, but still is doing a great job for it. And that's it. This was the third part 3 of this. And once the third villa is complete, I'll surely within 1 month make a video out of it for you all. Thank you. Have a nice day.